The 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning just dropped, and it's turning heads for one surprising reason. It's not just a pickup, it's an electric powerhouse built for everyday life and epic road trips. With range numbers that rival gas trucks and features most people didn't expect in a pickup, this EV is challenging everything we thought we knew about utility vehicles. But here's the question, can it really replace your daily driver and still handle long adventures? Stick around, because we're diving into everything that makes the Lightning shocking, impressive, and maybe even a little controversial. Meet the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning, Ford's bold leap into the electric truck world. Building on decades of legendary F-150 performance, this all-electric version isn't just about zero emissions, it's designed for drivers who need power, versatility, and reliability every single day. Ford is aiming squarely at families, adventure seekers, and professionals who want a truck that can handle both city streets and weekend road trips without compromise. Today, we're not just looking at how it drives, we'll explore the features, practicality, and surprising capabilities that could make it the EV pickup everyone's talking about. And trust me, some of what it can do might just change the way you see trucks. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning packs an electric punch that might surprise even seasoned truck fans. With instant torque, a towing capacity that rivals traditional gas trucks, and a range designed for both daily commutes and weekend getaways, it's built to impress. The cabin combines rugged durability with tech-forward features, think massive touchscreens, smart storage solutions, and driver assist tools that make long drives effortless. But it's not perfect, some trims come with a steeper price tag, and charging infrastructure can be a concern depending on your route. Later, we'll see how it handles on the road and whether it truly lives up to the hype. The moment of truth, hitting the road, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning feels like nothing else on the street. Instant torque rockets you forward, and the suspension keeps every turn smooth, even with a full load. Acceleration, handling, and quiet cabin comfort combine in a way that makes you forget it's an electric truck. Yet, there are surprises. Some longer charging stops and certain trim quirks remind you it's still early days for EV trucks. But when you push it through long stretches or tackle heavy loads, the Lightning proves it can genuinely replace a gas-powered pickup. Stick around, because in the verdict, we'll reveal if this truck is truly worth your hard-earned dollars. After putting the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning through its paces, the verdict is clear, this electric pickup isn't just a novelty, it's a serious contender for anyone needing power, versatility, and cutting-edge tech. Its instant torque, towing capabilities, and smart cabin features make it perfect for daily drivers, adventurers, and professionals alike. Downsides like higher trims and occasional charging concerns are worth noting, but they don't overshadow its strengths. In today's US market, the Lightning shows that EV trucks aren't the future, they're here now, pushing competitors to innovate. So, what do you think? Could this be your next truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more.